Doggy? Doggy? Is that a cat? What's that? What's that? Monkey! 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 Ooh, 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 ooh. Monkey! Hello! Would you like my keys? Monkey! Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wonder if I can find more monkeys. Collect all the monkeys. Ooh. Yatta! Oh, fuck! Alright. What if there's something in the sauna room, eh? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? There was a sound. Monkey! 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 So far, this game is wonderful. We've had multiple monkey encounters. Here, the cat appears to have avoided me. Summon my cat. I'm gonna have to go Super Saiyan. You're gonna love this. This is my normal state. And this is becoming a cat. Meow. Meow. Too sauce long. Meow. Where's the cat? It's in the shitter. Hello? You taking a dump? Equip the cat like a gun. Oh, the dude left. Old lady, I have located the cat. Okay, we've got to find something to cut the chain with. The summoning of Ubermare. I know about Ubermare is a yokai. Right, bolt cutters we can use. Fukai Masaki, thank you very much. Ray Ray, thank you very much. A pink eye and a kit. Ah, look at you.